If there are no sharps or flats in the key signature, we would be in the key of C major. In the key of A flat, what notes are going to be played flat, or what notes would be in the key signature? A flat, as we can see in this illustration, would be B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. This is why it's important to know the circle of fifths. We know A flat is in position 4 in the circle of fifths. If B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat are in the key signature, what key are we in? Before I answer this question, I want to teach you some tricks in memorizing all of these things. You have to memorize that the key of F major has one flat, and that's B flat. To find the key that you're in by looking at the key signature, it's going to the last flat and going one backwards. Notice that would be B flat. If you look in this example, you take A flat and go to the second to the last, which is E flat, and you would be in the key of E flat. When you look at this key signature, D flat, go back one, that would be A flat. Now to find the key signature from the key, here's a tip. You know it's D flat major, and you're going to be asked, how many flats does D flat major have, or what is the key signature for D flat? Well, if you know the order of the flats, which we learned in our previous lesson, the order of the flats are bead chakuf. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. Once you're at the key, D flat, you go one more. Bead J, G flat. That is your key signature, and you can see that in this example. One more. Let's take a look at G flat. How many flats does G flat have? Again, to find out how many flats G flat has, you must spell out the order of the flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. You are at the key, and you need to add one more. That would be C flat. Bead J K. And of course, the last flat would be F flat. But in this example, we would then write all of these flats in the key signature. Let's go to the last question. If B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat are in the key signature, what key are we in? Well, to find the key, you have to go back one. Since the last one is G flat, go back one, we would be in the key of D flat major.